Oppo's upcoming Find X10 series will use Tianma's new Tiangong Screen 2.0, a high-end OLED panel that puts more emphasis on eye comfort and low brightness performance. The main change with the new screen is in the OLED materials themselves. Tiangong Screen 2.0 uses a new primary color light-emitting material, which Tianma calls N1 primary color spectrum material. The company claims the new screen has a 30% longer lifespan than the previous generation. The Find X10 series is expected to launch in September. The lineup debut with 3 models, the Find X10, X10 Pro, and X10 Pro Max. The leak suggests that one of the cameras would be an ultra-wide lens using a 200-megapixel sensor. Oppo is also testing a brand new 200-megapixel sensor that's even larger for main camera, and even the telephoto unit is expected to use a 200-megapixel sensor. The Find X10 lineup is rumored to be among the first devices powered by the upcoming MediaTek Dimensity 9600 chip, feature a massive 6.9-inch 120Hz display, and potentially offer 8,000 mAh battery capacity. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.